Hey, I'm Al Smith Jr., owner of TrainChange Fitness and inventor of an all-in-one product fitness line. If you use resistance bands or are thinking about buying some, give me 60 seconds and I will show you an innovative hack I created that'll not only save you money, but it will also allow you to create new exercises with your bands that you've never thought of before. Everyone knows that resistance bands are a great addition to any fitness program. They're easy to use and they're portable. The problem with resistance bands is that they are not adjustable. So they're usually either too small, too long, too light, too heavy, something like that. They only come in a few standard sizes, and because of that, they aren't well suited for progressive resistance exercise routines. VRS Clips allow you to take traditional one-size-fits-all resistance bands and adjust them to fit into your customized needs. Simply take a pair of your existing loop bands and cut them. Then wrap the bands around the VRS clips and use them. It's made possible because VRS clips use a patented triple lock solution that keeps them from slipping, which means you can use them any way you want. Use them with barbells, use them with agility belts, use them in your cardio classes, use them to do pull-ups. You can even create customized small resistance bands, then add them to the ends of your suspension bands, and then create resistant suspension workouts. So now, instead of being limited to generic one-size-fits-all bands, you can take one band and turn it into multiple bands. I know, it's simple, yet it's a strange concept. And I also realize you probably aren't going to want to experiment by cutting your bands in half. That's why I'm going to include a free set of resistance bands when you purchase your VRS clips. On top of that, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if you don't like the VRS clips, simply return them and you get to keep the resistance bands.